Hi everyone. In the last video, I showed you how to add intro card and end card to your AI video. In this video, I'm going to show how to add some interesting text to your video. Let's say for example, I'm going to play this video first. Hi. I- Let's say for example, you want to add some important details on the screen in this AI video. Something special regarding your brand. All you need to do is you need to click on text here and click on plus option under default text. So once you click on it, you can add text here. Let's say I'm going to say for my particular brand, I'm going to say welcome to my world. Okay, welcome to my world. I'm going to minimize it a little bit. Welcome to my world. So this is just an example that I'm giving. You can add anything about your brand. Maybe, I don't know, you can say universal media presence or computer tech presence, whatever it is. You can add any information, any details here. So this is some example that I am providing. I would like to say welcome to my brand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this information here and I'm going to create a special font. I'm going to create a special font. I'm going to click on it and let's say for example I would like to use this font. Okay, I'm going to select it here. See, if you see here, the font has been activated. And if you want to increase the size of the font, you can increase. If you want to decrease, you can also decrease. And if you want to add color, if you want to add a special color for your special brand, you can also add color here. See, I'm going to add red or pink or yellow or green or whatever it is about your brand. All right, so this is some example that I am showing to you. You can put any color and you can customize it according to your requirement. And also in the end, so this is the end, right? This is the end. Hi, I am Naresh. In the end, if you want to add something here, you can click here and you can click on default text and you can say something like follow me follow me for more, something like that. Okay, I'm going to take it up, follow me for more. Or if you want to keep it very personal, if you want to, I don't know, if you want to keep it very personal and friendly, then you can say something like see you friends, something like that, so that people will understand that okay, he's treating me as a friend. So whenever they watch your video next time, they'll have this friendly feeling towards your video. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.